I'm going to make a video. I've seen some common errors. People are struggling with the word problems on inequalities and a few others. These are the most missed questions right now. This will allow you to go back and fix these this week if you need to get some final Khan Academy assignments done. Okay, so the latest online craze is a new game, Count on 7. You get 100 points for playing the game. Anytime there's no rate or pay rate or point rate, that's just called a constant. So that's 100. That's by itself. In addition, you get 50 points for each 7-letter word. So that's like a pay rate or a scoring rate in this case. So every time you get that word, you're going to get 50 points. So when you look down here in the problem, they're going to tell you what that variable is. That's kind of your hint as to you're going to be multiplying that. So 50 for every word. And the game leader currently has 17,950. Sal wants to break the record and needs 18,000 or more points. So he needs at least 18,000 points. That's what this points or more. So that is greater than or equal to 18,000. I see a lot of you is working in the wrong direction and trying to put 18,000 over here. You can do it that way, but then you got to flip the inequality. I don't have any doubt that you can solve that, but being able to set it up. The other way would be to go ahead and subtract 100 right away, but this number over here is just kind of an extra. We don't even really need it. Okay, 12 times the number subtracted from 34 is greater than 8. I know why people are missing that. This is 12x. And people are doing this. 12x minus 34 is greater than 8. Well, anytime you have subtraction, you have to switch the order. So it's really 12 times the number subtracted from 34. This is 12 times the number subtracted from 34 is greater than 8. My guess is when you're missing that, you're solving this inequality, and that is one of the answers. So subtraction in word problems where we're translating always has to flip the order. Which of the C values satisfies the following inequality? I think that you're missing this because you're just being ridiculous and not rewriting so that we can actually evaluate this without confusing ourselves. Now I multiply both sides by 3. C is less than 6. So should not be a complicated answer. I know one of the other fraction ones people were missing. If the variable is on the right, get it to the left so you can actually evaluate. You can even make a number line and put a 6 on there, and then know if any of your numbers are over here, they're solutions. More video games. You download a video game to your computer. You have a 60-minute free trial of the game. It takes 5 minutes to set up and 7 minutes to play each level. How many levels can you play for free? So basically, this is your total. You have 60 minutes to play. So our key is less than or equal to, because we can play right up to 60, including 60, not more than 60. So you have 5 minutes for setup, and you get 7 minutes for each level. They give you L for level, 7L. Again, I think you can solve it and then be able to answer the maximum number of levels. You can't play a partial level. According to this, we want maximum whole number of levels. The next one is another word problem. They're all following the same kind of pattern. Rain and push the elevator go up, but it would move. The weight limit for the elevator is 450. Current group of passengers weighs 750. How many 70-kilogram passengers need to get off of the elevator? So this is a subtraction problem. There are 750 on there right now. We need to take away 70 times the number of passengers. And then the weight limit has to be less than or equal to 450, or we all will be crushed. So you can solve that. Just note when you solve here, you're going to be dividing by negative, which flips the inequality.